Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, how Ramadan can be a powerful tool to help fight depression and suicidal thoughts. In a world where mental health struggles are on the rise, Ramadan offers a unique opportunity to heal, reflect, and find peace. Let's talk about how. Ramadan isn't just about fasting from food and water. It's a holistic spiritual experience that can transform your mental and emotional well-being. Here's how. Point 1. Connection with Allah. First and foremost, Ramadan strengthens your connection with Allah. When you feel close to Him, you're reminded that you're never alone, no matter how heavy your burdens feel. Allah says in the Quran, "Do not despair of the mercy of Allah." Surah Az-Zumar 39:53. This connection can be a lifeline for those struggling with depression or suicidal thoughts. Point 2. Structured routine. Depression often makes us feel lost and unmotivated, but Ramadan brings structure. From suhoor to iftar, prayers, and Quran recitation, your day has a purpose. This routine can help break the cycle of negative thoughts and give you a sense of accomplishment. Point 3. Gratitude and reflection. Fasting teaches us gratitude. When you go without food and water, you realize how much you take for granted. Reflecting on your blessings, no matter how small, can shift your mindset from despair to hope. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "Look at those below you, not those above you, for it is more likely that you will not belittle the favors of Allah." Point 4. Community and support. Ramadan is a time of community. Whether it's praying Taraweeh together or sharing iftar with loved ones, you're surrounded by support. For someone feeling isolated, this sense of belonging can be incredibly healing. Point 5. Self-discipline and empowerment. Fasting teaches self-discipline. When you control your desires, you realize how strong you truly are. This empowerment can help you tackle negative thoughts and take small steps toward healing. Ramadan is a gift. It's a time to reset, recharge, and reconnect with Allah, with others, and with yourself. If you're struggling with depression or suicidal thoughts, know that there's hope. Reach out to loved ones, seek professional help, and let Ramadan be a stepping stone toward healing.